Hey guys, I'm coming back at you with another Causebox unboxing. This is the fall 2020 box, so if you want to see what's in it, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to see more content like it, and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. Okay, without further ado, the fall Causebox got here and I'm so excited. I of course got to choose a few items from it. So Causebox is a fair, ethical, and renewably sourced items in a box that you get 4 times a year. So it's a seasonal box. There's an intro box is the first one that I've received, and then I got this fall box, and I think so far everything that I got in that last box I've actually used. So if I'm not using something that comes in it, I will find a way to donate it, give it to somebody that I know will love it. And that also makes it, again, more renewable, more sustainable. So I love that about this box. So I actually have my computer right here in front of me so I can give you all the details on it. As part of this membership, you'll receive your quarterly seasonal curation of 6 to 8 products that are community focused, ethically made, environmentally conscious, and impact driven. It comes with an artist designed and box, which I didn't know that. So an artist designed this box, so the design on it, and it comes with an issue of their Good News magazine, which shares more about the impact that your membership is making. Also, at the beginning of each season, you'll receive access to their exclusive add-on market, a members-only curation of over 300 products at up to 70% off. So I went and looked at the members market. This was the first one that I could be a part of. There wasn't anything on there that I needed, nothing in my life that's missing right now, so I didn't purchase anything, but they did have a lot of great products for low prices. So you get that access, and then the price is for a quarterly membership. It's $54.95 to receive just one box up front, or you can sign up annually for $199.80. I do have a, I think it's called like a referral link. I will put that down below. So if you're interested, I believe it gets you maybe like 10% off or your first box for a certain amount. Let me see if I can find that. Yeah, so if you use the referral link that I have linked down below, you will get $10 off your first box. And I think if you do the annual membership, you get $10 off that annual membership price. So it brings down to like $189 something. You can stop your membership at any time. If you sign up for the annual, it will just keep it from renewing for the next box, for the next cycle that you would be charged. I've been charged one time. I went ahead and did the annual because you do save a small amount of money when you sign up for the annual box. When you sign up for the annual box, you also get to choose, like, I don't know, about a month ago, I got an email that said customize your box. It was super exciting to get because it's always fun to see a few things that are coming in it, but I don't ever like the whole box to be spoiled for me, but I like that there are a few things that you get to choose. So there were, let's see, this box, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 things that I got to choose. And as I pulled them out, I'll tell you which ones they were and what you could choose them from, like else you could choose from it. As I pull those out, I'll tell you which ones I got to choose and what else you could have chosen if you didn't want that particular thing that I chose, and I'll tell you why I chose it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, I'm going to scoot back just a little bit so that you guys can see a little bit better. I need to be able to reach my computer, but okay. So when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. This is what it comes, you know, it has this Good News magazine on the top. That inside of that box is really pretty, isn't it? So this is a magazine that actually tells you what's in here, and since I like to be somewhat surprised, I'm not going to go through that whole thing. But then you have this, and it's closed with a little sticker, has a lady on it. And into this we go. So it looks like there's like a postcard that comes first. I don't know if this is one of the items or not, but there's a postcard that you can use. Something in here smells good. I can smell it. Very first thing I see is this. It's a waffle knit robe. I was in need of a new robe, so I figured this was one of the things that I got to choose. So I could choose for this one. Let me open it up. Waffle knit robe. It looks like it's a pretty decent length. It's really thick. It's really good quality. So this was a choice that I got. It was between a charcoal bathrobe, a mint color bathrobe, charcoal towel set, or a mint towel set. I am good on towels. I didn't need any more towels, so I chose the charcoal robe, and I think that was a great choice. I have 2 robes, and one of them needs to go anyway. It's pretty old, so that's what I'll do. Next up, let me see if I can find this, is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, Focusing and Soothing. Since I am trying to work out more, my muscles have been more sore. So I thought this was a great one. There we go. This was another one that I got to choose between this, a crisscross cuff bracelet, or a Love face scrub. My face is very sensitive, so typically when I get any kind of face products in here, I don't tend to use them, and I'll try them, but sometimes they make me break out. So for me, out of all of this, this was the best choice. The cuff bracelet, you know, I just gotten rid of a whole bunch of jewelry because I don't really wear jewelry, so to me, that wasn't a thing. But if I wouldn't have liked any of these choices, I would have gotten the crisscross bracelet and actually gifted it to somebody because it's a good bracelet. Also in this magazine, I think it tells you the what these things are worth. So I'll get there. Let's see, the next one, this is another thing that I got to choose, and it's a glass tumbler. So the box actually looks like this, and it's a glass tumbler by Tees, I believe. It looks like this. So this was, again, another choice product. I could choose between this and a lantern, a Milky Way lantern, and well, I don't know about you guys, but I don't really use lanterns. I guess I could outside, but I wouldn't have used it. It would have just sat around. This is something that I'm actually trying to get more into, drinking tea during the day instead of coffee. So this comes with all of this in it. It's a, I believe, tea diffuser. Let me pull it out just so we can see it. Oh, that's cute. This is what I was hearing in there too. It makes a little noise. So it has a sleeve that it comes in. And then if you take that off, it says Tees. And you have your top there and a little basket, like a tea basket that just sits right in there, and then you can pour the water over it and you're good to go. So I'm really excited about this one because I'm a nerd. No, I'm really excited about this one. I think that's a good addition to my cup collection. Anyway, I'm excited to give it a try. Last but not least, this is the last thing that I got to choose, and I was super excited about these because I was thinking about getting some anyway, was between a basil grow kit, so growing basil, your own basil, or these reusable facial rounds. There we go. Reusable facial rounds. So the reusable cotton rounds, let me open it up if I can. There we go. So once I open it, they come in this little bag like this, I guess, where you can store them so it's breathable, and then you have these that you can just rewash time and time again but take your makeup off with. And that is something really, really awesome. I've bought another set of reusable rounds that are about, there's like 3 of them, I think, and I've had those forever, and I just started using them. I really like them. I just use them and wash them. So that was super easy. So those were my last, that was my last choice piece. And the reason I didn't go with the basil grow kit is because I kill all the plants that I ever try to grow. I had that one grow kit, I can't remember what it came, anyway, I'm not good at it. So let's see, the next thing in here is the serum, a face brightening serum. And it has marula, blackcurrant, and carrot. So it comes in this cute little bottle, and so I will try this and see how my face responds to it, but it's kind of hit or miss. And then it looks like, last but not least, is this bamboo serve set. And that's cute. You could do a I don't know, I'm gonna butcher how you say this. I'm never good at the charcuterie board on this. That would be really, really cute. And I actually do use wooden spoons a lot, and I will give those tongs a try. So I'm, again, really pleased with everything that came in this box. I used to do FabFitFun, and that's also a great box. You guys, if you haven't done that, you can give it a try. But after like 2 years of that, I felt like I was starting to get some repeats, things that I already had something before, and so I stopped doing that. And now that I'm doing this, I feel like these are more reusable, sustainable pieces. So I'm very, very excited about this box. Good job, Causebox. Let's just look through here. I'll give you prices real quick. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time. I don't want this video to be way too long. You have the editor's letter right up front, and then a whole bunch of different things about different people and whatnot. So the robe is a $90 value. The teas tea. It's a glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler, so you could do fruit in it as well. It's a $39 value. The de-stress muscle gel is $39. And the facial rounds are a $10 value. So you have, this is the least amount of anything in it so far. And then, let's see, the bamboo serving tray is a $35 value, and the serum is a $37.50 value. So, I mean, really, really great. You know, you pay about $50 for the box, roughly, even if you do the annual membership, and you get probably a little bit over $200 of stuff, if not more. So, what a fun box. If you guys haven't tried it yet and you want to save $10, again, my link will be down below. Go check it out. Go on YouTube, see some of the past boxes that people have posted up. I've only done this box and the fall box, so I will link that one down below as well so that you can go and find that really easily and check out what was in that box and see if it's stuff that you'd be excited about. And I will catch you guys next time. Happy fall, y'all. Bye. More content like it, and hit the notification of my yeah, so if you use, you could choose them from, like, else you could choose from it. My face is very sensitive, so typically when I get face, let's just look through here. I'll give you prices.